these two beautiful shimmering glass towers rising 600 feet into the sky that will be seen from everywhere. You enter this gorgeous triple light glass lobby that sits right in between the two towers. It's a space like you've never experienced before. You're exalted into a different world as soon as you enter. Luxury means the ability to choose total privacy. Every resident in these towers will have private elevators that open directly into the building. Interestingly, a third of our residents have these gorgeous double height living rooms. Feels like they're living in two homes, but these are all just single. The master bedroom is magnificent. With floor-to-ceiling glass windows and doors, you wake up to something truly extraordinary. There's a lot of drama in our spaces, and no one is more animated than our university. Enter the clubhouse with a spectacular triple light glass lobby with quite a statement and beautiful spiral. The restaurant and bar is a truly special place where you can drink, dine, and entertain, either under the skylight or under the intricately sculpted ceiling. The state-of-the-art gym is the perfect workout spot, or you can choose to recharge by taking a dip in our beautiful glass-enclosed, temperature-controlled pool looking out at the golf greens. It's really about giving the perfect living experience. I don't think people can truly imagine what we're going to do here. These aren't going to be homes just for a select few. This project is going to be a landmark for the city. This is our masterpiece. It's our labor of love, and I think you're going to follow